And every other school we've tried just doesn't... Oh, crap.
My son got into DeVry.
Oh, good. What do you have to do? Open the door?
Can't you let me have anything?
Wait, hey, hang on. What are we fighting about?
You know, I have completely forgotten.
Me too.
Something about a coupon.
I cannot for the life of me remember.
Oh, my God, that's ridiculous. You know what? I hope I didn't hurt you.
No, I'm all right.
About that. But listen, you know what? Let me make it up to you. Why don't you let my wife and I take you out to dinner?
So, listen, if you guys aren't doing anything later, the chief's throwing me a little party to celebrate my bust.
I'm going to let Quagmire answer first.
Yeah, I'll go.
I shall go too.
Oh, great. I'll see you guys tonight.
Oh, God, buddy, I'm sorry. You okay?
You bastard! Well, now I've seen Woodrow Wilson naked.
This must make you pretty happy. Seeing me like this.
I took too much ecstasy in my 20s, so nothing makes me happy anymore. What's wrong with you anyway?
Bird flu.
But there's a vaccine for that.
Yeah, loaded with mercury and antifreeze. No, thank you.
Ah, I knew I hated you for a good reason.
This is probably for the best anyway. There's nothing left for me in this world. I lost my job. I lost my house. My wife left me for a bigger cock.
Cocks are chickens.
I'm better off dead.
Oh, that's sad. I agree. I guess that means I win, huh?
I guess so. After all these years, who thought it would end like this?
Yeah, it's kind of anticlimactic. I always thought it would end with me eating you for Thanksgiving. Wait, birds eat people on Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
Huh. Cool. Well, a win's a win, even if it's like this. It's too bad. I had an awesome line I was going to say when I finally beat you.
Oh, yeah? What was it?
Oh, it was a good one.
Say it.
I gotta go.
You get 5 minutes to say goodbye to your father.
Sup, Ernie?
Holy moly, that's a huge cock.